Welcome to RevAnchor. Born from a captured American Jeep during World War II, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 became the most legendary off-roader ever built. From Philippine battlefields to Australian Outback, this is the incredible story of automotive immortality. The story begins during World War II in the Philippines. Japanese forces discovered an abandoned American military Jeep, possibly a Willys, Ford GPW, or American Bantam. They shipped it to Japan and tasked Toyota with creating their own version. The instruction was clear: make it useful, but don't make it look like a Jeep. This reverse engineering effort produced the Toyota AK-10 prototype, the grandfather of every Land Cruiser. The J40's front fascia is pure function-driven design. The iconic round headlights, rugged steel bumper, and vertical slat grille became instantly recognizable worldwide. The flat, upright windshield could fold down for extreme conditions, while the Toyota badge on the hood announced this wasn't just transportation, it was a statement of indestructibility. Those curved front fenders inherited from the J30 series gave it character while protecting from mud and debris. From the side, the FJ40's boxy silhouette tells you everything about its purpose. Short overhangs, high ground clearance, and that distinctive roofline made it perfect for navigating treacherous terrain. The removable hardtop or soft-top configurations offered versatility, while those steel wheels wrapped in aggressive tires meant business. Available in short wheelbase two-door and long wheelbase configurations, the J40 adapted to any mission. The rear design prioritized utility above all else. The swing-out spare tire carrier, simple round taillights, and fold-down tailgate made loading equipment straightforward. For the pickup and tray-back versions, the cargo area could haul supplies across continents. That simplicity was intentional. Fewer complicated parts meant fewer things to break when you were 1,000 miles from the nearest mechanic. Inside, the J40 embodied utilitarian perfection. The metal dashboard featured essential gauges only: speedometer, fuel, temperature, and oil pressure. The thin-rimmed steering wheel provided direct, unassisted feedback from the front wheels. Everything was designed for easy cleaning. Mud, sand, and water could be hosed out after adventures. The column-mounted shifter for the 3-speed, later 4-speed gearbox fell naturally to hand, while the separate transfer case lever awaited when low range was needed. The vinyl-covered seats were built for durability, not luxury. They could withstand years of abuse from dusty boots and wet clothing. The front bucket seats offered reasonable support, while rear bench seating accommodated additional passengers or could be removed entirely for cargo. Roll-up side curtains on soft-top models let the African breeze or Australian Outback air flow through freely. Hey, if you're loving this journey through Land Cruiser history, smash that like button, subscribe to RevAnchor for more legendary car stories, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Under the hood, the J40 offered various power plants throughout its 24-year production run. The 3.9-liter Type F inline-6 gasoline engine delivered 125 horsepower initially. In 1975, the larger 4.2-liter six-cylinder arrived with 135 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque. For diesel lovers, the 3-liter Type B produced 80 horsepower, while later 3.4-liter and 4-liter diesel options offered up to 104 horsepower. The game-changer was the low-range, high-range transfer case that made the J40 truly unstoppable. The FJ40 wasn't built for speed, it was built for survival. The 3-speed, later 4-speed manual transmission, combined with the dual-range transfer case, conquered terrain that stopped other vehicles dead. In the Australian Outback, the FJ40 became the standard. Every miner, farmer, and pastoralist trusted their lives to it. African safari operators chose it for game reserves where breakdown meant potential disaster. Where vehicle failure could prove fatal, the Land Cruiser delivered confidence and reliability decade after decade. The J40 series spanned multiple variants and continents. The FJ40 designation indicated the gasoline F engine. BJ40 meant diesel B engine. HJ models received the H series diesel. American FJ40s gained front disc brakes in 1976, air conditioning in 1979, and power steering options. In Brazil, Toyota produced the Bandeirante, meaning pioneer, featuring Mercedes-Benz diesel engines manufactured locally. From short wheelbase two-doors to long wheelbase pickups, the J40 adapted to every market's needs. Production finally ended in 1984, but the legend was just beginning. Today, pristine FJ40s command over $100,000 USD, some exceeding $200,000. Companies like Legacy Overland, the FJ Company, and Icon restore them to better-than-new condition at Porsche 911 prices. Parts remain readily available from the thriving restoration community. The Toyota J40 Land Cruiser made Toyota a household name worldwide, conquering the very American Jeep that inspired its creation. So, what do you think about this legendary machine? Drop your thoughts below. Subscribe to RevAnchor for more automotive legends. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.